Here is your Showplace quick tip on removing a Showplace drawer. First, simply pull the drawer completely out of the cabinet. Once that's done, grasp the drawer on both sides. You'll notice on the drawer that there are two locking trigger devices. Simply squeeze the triggers and pull out the drawer. Congratulations! You've just removed your drawer. To reinstall your drawers, start by making sure the metal drawer glides are fully extended. Set the drawer on the rails straight and level. Then push the drawer completely into the cabinet. You'll hear a couple of clicks as the locking triggers engage. Finally, cycle the drawer a couple of times to make sure it's working properly. This has been a Showplace Quick Tip. Thank you for watching.